The River Maun meanders through the heart of Nottinghamshire, carving its way through the picturesque landscape. This charming river rises near the quaint village of Whiteborough, where its journey begins. It flows eastward across the county, shaping the landscape and history of Nottinghamshire as it goes. Its presence has been vital to the people and industries along its banks, providing water and resources for centuries. The Maun is more than just a river. It is a lifeline woven into the very fabric of Nottinghamshire's heritage and daily life. The Maun's journey takes it through a varied landscape. It winds through fertile farmland, serene meadows, and ancient woodlands, each adding to its charm. The river supports a rich diversity of wildlife, making it a crucial habitat for many species. Kingfishers dart along its banks, their vibrant colours a striking contrast to the water. Dragonflies dance over its surface, adding a touch of magic to the scene. The river is a haven for nature, offering a peaceful retreat for both wildlife and people. It offers a glimpse into the natural beauty of the English countryside, a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. The Industrial Revolution transformed Britain. Nottinghamshire was at the forefront of this change. The River Maun played a pivotal role in this transformation. Its waters possessed the power to drive machinery. This power was harnessed to fuel the engines of industry. Before steam power became widespread, water was essential. The Maun's current provided a reliable source of energy. This power was used to operate mills. These mills were crucial to the local economy. They processed raw materials and produced essential goods. The River Maun powered a variety of mills. Textile mills were prominent along its banks. These mills produced cotton and wool cloth. Nottinghamshire became a centre for textile manufacturing. The Maun's waters were instrumental in this growth. The river also powered flour mills. These mills ground wheat and other grains. They provided flour for baking bread. This was essential for feeding the growing population. Paper mills used the Maun's power to pulp wood. This pulp was then transformed into paper. Sawmills used the river's energy to cut timber. This timber was used for building and construction. Section 4: communities along the current towns shaped by the Maun. The River Maun flows through several towns and villages, weaving its way through the heart of Nottinghamshire. Each of these settlements benefited immensely from the river's presence, shaping their history and development. Mansfield, a historic market town, grew in prominence over the centuries thanks to the Maun. The Maun's power fueled its industries, driving economic growth and prosperity. Clipstone, once known for its royal hunting lodge, embraced industrial development, transforming its landscape. The river powered its mills and factories, becoming the lifeblood of the village. Edwinstowe, nestled near the legendary Sherwood Forest, also felt the river's influence deeply. Its mills thrived on the Maun's power, contributing to the local economy. Ollerton, with its ancient bridge, witnessed the transformation brought about by the Industrial Revolution, driven by the river. The Maun's energy fueled its growth, turning it into a bustling industrial hub. Section 5. From source to confluence, the Maun's journey. The River Maun's journey continues eastward. It flows through a landscape shaped by both nature and industry. Along its course, it is joined by tributaries. These smaller streams add their waters to the Maun's flow. Near the town of Markham Moor, the Maun meets the River Medden. The two rivers merge, their waters combining. This confluence forms the River Idle. The Idle then continues its own journey. It eventually flows into the River Trent. Section 6: a legacy in water. The enduring significance of the Maun. The River Maun, though modest in size, played a vital role in Nottinghamshire's history. It has been a silent witness to the region's transformation over centuries. Its waters powered the Industrial Revolution, driving the wheels of progress and innovation. These waters helped to shape the region's economy and landscape, turning it into a hub of activity and growth. The river's legacy lives on, echoing through the ages as a symbol of resilience and continuity. It is a reminder of the power of nature, a force that has shaped human endeavors and settlements. It also highlights the ingenuity of those who harnessed its energy, turning natural resources into industrial might. Today, the River Maun offers a place for recreation and reflection, a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Its banks provide scenic walks, inviting people to explore and connect with nature. Anglers cast their lines into its waters, finding peace and solitude in its gentle flow. The river remains a vital part of the local ecosystem, supporting a diverse array of wildlife and lush vegetation. This video was created by the SEO Lady, based near Bristol in England. If you like what you've seen and want to remove the watermarks for the perfect corporate or business video, Google search for SEO Lady UK online.